buddies, this is how I'm making some bread with my grandpa.
It's cheese-filled. The trouble is, this, see how it falls apart?
No, maybe it only goes so long without.
Go ball!
She's the expert on everything.
Bad person! Just slaps him. Ready? That's probably how they do it in the movies. Right?
Hey, put it down over here.
Here, okay.
Sophie, if you ruin our cake.
It's not running, is it?
It is.
It is? Okay. Sophie.
Your way is all greasy. I need a rag.
Okay, but except you get it in clumps all the time, yeah?
Okay.
Just stop it!
You said not to get it close. Ew, it looks like a mitten. Michigan. Wait. There we go. Michigan. There we go. Indian, right? Ready?
You're getting it.
You're getting it all.
Food fight. Like so. See, yours didn't do this part right here.
Okay, Sophie.
You're gonna put a hole in it and get in trouble.
Another.
Hi.
And then, after it has risen for a while, then we put it in the oven. And when it comes out of the oven, Sophie, how did you get all that stuff on your face?
I'm a hard worker.